Good. It's delicious. One of our viewers was very generous and sent us a box full of items from our Amazon wish list. And I wanted to show them to you guys. And it came from Allyson Strobel. Allyson, thank you very much for all the stuff that you sent to us. And the first thing we got is a book by Maximilien de Lafayette. It's The Civilization and Arts of Armenia from Prehistory to the Present Day. And it basically talks about that the cradle of humanity is, or was, in Armenia. So it's a really cool book. Thank you so much for sending it to us. I also got a Tibetan singing bowl, and I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I also have a music channel. It's called Jeff Mara Music. And I've started posting a little bit of meditational-like music, and I want to do more. And so this helps me work on that channel. And it's nice. It comes with a little pillow. And here's the bowl. And some information from Himalayan Bazaar. That's nice. And let's see if I can make it sing. So if you want, you can do a quick meditation, but if you're driving your car or operating heavy machinery, then pause the video and come back later. Works good. It's very cool. Thank you very much. Next is a UFO cow abduction light. And I think it's fun just to have these little things like this in my office. And it came with a little book, The Cow Abduction Chronicles. Here's the UFO. It should have some lights or something. Oh, you can open up the top and see the little gray in there. Yeah, it's awesome. Where do I turn on the lights? Now this is the cow part, getting abducted. And you put it on the grass like this. And then you set this on top of here. And it looks like, where's his face? There he is, and there it looks like he's abducting a cow. There you go, that was smart. See, when you have a smart wife, she figures things out for you. Turn on the UFO, pull back the cockpit cover and press down on the alien's head. Ah, there we go. And it makes noises too, cool. I'll put this here so you can hear the noises. This is perfect UFO sounds from the 50s and 60s. And last but not least, she sent us a bottle of DMSO. I'm not sure what you use this for. If you know, please write it in the comment section below. Once again, Allyson, thank you very much for sending us all this stuff. We are very grateful for it. Especially my wife. She's super happy about this book. And when my wife's happy, that makes me happy.